So the scooter comes with this not so good seat. The bad cap on top, but like it has like this cap so that it doesn't get wet or what, I don't know. You can flip this around this way, and you can also flip down here, get this out, and then push the button, and then you can fold it in basically. Oh, I'm like so annoyed with this grease. Here, this is like all of this grease. There was like a rubber cap there to protect this. This is breaking apart crazy. Like, it's not good. So I want to remove the seat thing. I'm sure that you maybe could put bicycle part in here. Like replace this with one for a bicycle. I don't know. So what came with it, it's just useless. Now I need to kind of remove this here. You know? And I'll show you how that works. Can we see? We need those bolts here on the sides. Those bolts and then those two. Now let me remove those first. It comes with a toolkit. Toolkit, it has a toolkit. Bunch of tools in it. And then you can put the brakes on here, like it's a handle to carry it or to rest your foot on. Let's see what we have here. This tool has a Phillips on there. Let's loosen this up quick. Tiny little bolts. I'm going to take those out, and then we need to keep them because we need to reuse that to put this other bracket on there. Loosen it up. There we go. Yeah, you can buy this thing without the seat. A little cheaper. It's, I don't know, it's the mount here is okay to have, but the seat itself here is not so good. You look, this is like hard to remove. I don't know why. Hard to twist and that's not good. So those two out of the way, and then we need to use those two here on the sides. It comes with this and this here. Okay, and then I need 13mm, I think is what keeps those nuts on here. This one. There. Take that out all the way. It's coming over here. Oh, the nut fell down there. Okay, that's fine. And then here, same story. Hold it here. We're not removing them all the way. The shocks keep them on the Those tools are like crazy, because you really can't get to this so easy. Oh, there we go. It came loose. Get them out a little better. This is already loose on this side. There's so much thread on this screw that you can really jiggle it out. See, it's still sticking in here. Okay. to the side and then put the new one on. But I need to get those self-locking nuts out of here. There's dirt in here. Okay. So those go in here. Oh, this way. There. And then we have those two here. Put one here and one here. Just like 1 or 2 turns. It's loose, right? And then need to screw this back in here. That's coming. Okay. And now, it's a little tricky. I have to hold the nut here. Here, it's gripping. Okay, and then we do the same thing on this side. Hold the nut in front of the hole. So I'm gonna move this in a little further. There we go. You can see it now. You see how we get our fingers in there. It's pretty tight. Oh! Dropped one. There you go. There's space here for your fingers. See that? Yeah, there. I think I'm in front of it. I'm front. Make sure you get this on smooth. There it goes. There. Now we need the 13 again here. And tighten this up like. Gonna hold the tool in here. Tight as you can, and the same on this side. The only difficult part is to get there, you know. There we go. Oh, tighten it up good. There we go. Both of those are tight. Now we have to not forget to tighten those too. Let's see how far we get here by hand. So that's how easy it is to get the handle on here. Handle and footrest, if you will. And keep in mind that when you ride this thing standing, it's more unstable than sitting. And also your braking is different because your overall weight is now more in the center. And when you brake, you cannot forget to lean backwards to put more weight here in the back. Right, so that's what it is. Now you can hold it up here, carry it around. Look at that. That's how easy that was.